I'm rolling tears, man. That's what I do.
Phase 2.
Pounds away. Holy shit!
You know what I like about you, Dom? You're a genuine outlaw, but you're family.
A hell of a job, brother. When we get back to the base, beer's on me.
He's about to go up against the only thing they can't handle. You.
Dominic Toretto just turned on us.
Well, you look at that.
She's the very definition of high-tech terrorism. And now, she's working with your guy.
I think I found my team.
Which is why you're gonna need a little help.
I will beat you like a Cherokee drum.
We about to go all like
Oh, it took longer than I expected.
Let's roll.
Stand back in the cut like that.
Here they come.
I don't know if the old Dom is in there. I don't give a damn. I'm taking you down, Toretto. Let's play.
Why are they shooting at me?
I don't know. Maybe because you're in an orange Lamborghini.
Shut up, Tess!
Switch it up like.